from the other side of Canada. I'm over in Toronto visiting one of my good friends who has just moved here. I have 10 days here to explore the city. We're going down to Niagara Falls, Niagara on the Lake, trying to just fit in honestly as much as I can while also having some rest time and not having to work. Today we're going out to Casa Loma. I'm really excited to go and see this kind of mansion in central Toronto, I believe. I don't know. I'll take you along with it. We're gonna see what we get up to for the rest of the day. It is a weekend here in Toronto, so my friend is off work. We're going to make the most of some of the fun Christmassy things and tourist attractions she hasn't seen yet since moving here. So I thought I'd bring you along, show you some things that we're doing, some things that I would maybe recommend doing, and we'll see how the day goes. So I've spent the last 2 hours exploring Casa Loma. It is a castle in midtown Toronto. It was built in 1914 and it was so interesting to wander through the building. There's 7 floors in this whole building. There's also an underground passageway that leads to like stables and a car garage off-site, like off on the other side of the street, which is really cool. He wanted to build over it, but the town wouldn't let him. But there's so much information. It's really nice to see all the old styling in the bedrooms and the rooms and how things used to be done. They also have shows running throughout the day. We didn't manage to catch one, but they had like magic shows, aerialist shows, lots of things to do here. We spent about 2.5 hours here and it cost $45 for admission. I think it was a cool thing to come see and a pretty important part of Toronto's history. So it started raining just as we were leaving Casa Loma, so we got an Uber into Yorkville and now we're going to Goldstruck Cafe just to get a hot drink and chill out. Once it stopped raining, we left the coffee shop and we did a little bit of window shopping and looking around Yorkville. Now we're just walking back in towards downtown Toronto and just checking out all the buildings and things along the way.
Our next stop for the day was Stackt. This market is designed completely out of shipping containers and is the largest of its kind in North America. We relaxed here for a while, browsing the shops, getting some bao buns for dinner, and grabbed a drink from the Blue Moon Brewery. After the sun went down and the market started closing, we made our way out to a cocktail bar that has been top of my Toronto to-do list since meeting the owner in Banff. The atmosphere, service, and cocktails at this bar are simply incredible, and the owner, Jacob, is currently the world-class global bartender of the year. Just look at his cocktail making technique. It is incredible. That is all for today's vlog, but don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I will see you again soon. Thank you for being here.